Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a really small haul for you. This is going to be from, let me think, I think it's eBay. And then I've got Home Bargains, AliExpress, and I've got some Happy Mail that was really kindly sent to me. So if you like haul videos, if you like Happy Mail videos, please do hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to also leave it a nice big thumbs up. So let's jump into the video. The first thing I got was actually two of these, but I've only grabbed one out to show you because they look exactly the same. I got some more DL card blanks. These were from eBay, but they were from the Craft Stash eBay, if that makes sense. I got 2 packs of these because they were quite cheap, to be fair, and I use them all the time, so I thought I would stock up. And my card blank box is now nice and full again. It did look really empty over Christmas, where I was doing Christmas cards and design teamwork and everything else, but now it's nice and full, so I am happy again and I don't have to worry about running out of card blanks. Next, I want to show you some really lovely Happy Mail I got. So my friend sent me a message to say that her son had found in a skip some stamps and he brought them home and she'd cleaned them and they were absolutely fine. She'd, like, you know, anti-bac them and everything. But there were some that she wanted to send me because of who had made them. And it was so kind of her. So first of all, I want to show you the card she made and sent with them. Look at that. I love it. Who doesn't love a shaker card? Now let me show you the stamps. And I'm sure it will be no surprise. If you've been with me a while, you will know the name I'm about to say. Yes, the Hell's Coupled It stamps. So I didn't have these. There was one other stamp that he'd brought home, but it was one of the ones that Laura had sent me for Christmas. But I didn't have these ones, so she has really kindly sent these to me. So this one is called Parker. I don't know what collection this is from. If anybody knows, do let me know. It was a 2010 collection from Trimcraft. No, I can't see any name of a collection there, but it's that really gorgeous little panda just for you, and then loads of flowers. And then she sent me this one called Basil. This looks like it was either a collection called Happy Harvest, or that's just the name of the stamp set. But again, we have a bunny who is digging in his garden. Roz sent me one similar to this a little while ago, and I just happened to have those next to me, so that's the one that she sent me. So I'm wondering if they're the same collection. This is the one Laura sent me for Christmas, which is called Tia, now I'm noticing, and that's the other one that my friend had, but I said I had it and it was very kind of her, but you know, pass it on to someone else. So I'm wondering what collection these are from, or where they just brought out and they had the names like Basil, Parker. Don't know. Let me know if you know. But I am definitely like a huge Hell's Coupled It fan. I've loved her work for the longest time, and really kindly, when people find stuff of hers in their stash or around and about, they very kindly sometimes send it to me. So I am building quite the collection, so thank you so much for those. I cannot wait to use those on a project very soon. Okay, next we went, where did we go? We went somewhere as a family, and there was a Home Bargains nearby, so my husband very kindly took me along, and I did get a few things. Now I got some of these handmade flowers. Look how beautiful these are. I did get 3 packs of these because on the shelf these were down as 79p. When I got home and checked the receipt, they'd gone through as £1 each, which I was a little bit annoyed about, but I don't live near a Home Bargains to do anything about it. and it would have cost more in petrol as well, wouldn't it? Let's face it. So just watch the prices if you're shopping in Home Bargains. But I thought these were really, really nice, and I have already started using them. I also got these ones because I thought they were really pretty and spring-like as well, and I got those as well because, again, they are really pretty. I haven't used those yet. So those were my little Home Bargains haul. And then finally I have a few bits from AliExpress. So I was doing an AliExpress order and this one jumped into my basket. I've seen this used so many times, and so many different people on Facebook and all the different craft groups using it, and I gave in and bought it. I have done something similar to this myself using just paper scraps, but it was quite cheap and I couldn't resist it, so I got that. I'll leave it linked in the description box in case anybody wants to grab anything. Then I got these little stickers. I'll just take them out of the packet quickly. So it's just a little roll of foiled thank you stickers. I thought they were really pretty. Obviously last year I did open an Etsy store. I wouldn't say it's an overnight success, but I make like 1 or 2 orders, and I just thought that would be nice to put on as a thank you, so I got those. I saw this little die. To be honest, I thought it was going to be bigger. I don't think there was any details in the description box about size, but the photo, again, clever photography, it certainly looked bigger. It is usable though. I will use it, but look, it's not much bigger than the palm of my hand to give you an idea of size. So I did grab that and I will use it. I'm just a bit disappointed by the size. And then I did get a load of alpha stamps because I had an order a little while ago on Etsy and it was a personalization one. I don't use a computer or anything like that for my Etsy orders. Literally, I'm all about handmade. And I realised that I didn't have many alpha stamps, and actually that might be a problem the more personalised things I do. So I went through and I got a few different designs and sizes. So let's find something to put these on. Let's move that out the way and use the back of these. So the first stamp set I got was this one here. I really liked the size and the different fonts of the letters and numbers on that one, so I got that. Then I got this one here. Again, I like the size of the letters, but I also like that it had plus and like a dot, so that would be handy. So I've grabbed those ones. And then the last one I got, I loved this. I just love the different style fonts on that. It's like 3 different fonts, 3 different sizes of letters. So combined with what I already have, I should now have enough alpha stamps to be able to do what I need to do. And then in with the stickers, I'm sure these were in with the stickers, but there was like these little, I assume it was a free gift and not a mistake. But it's some little Christmas stickers, so I'm going to put those away for next year. And that is literally my tiny little haul and happy mail video for today. So I really hope you've enjoyed seeing briefly what I have bought and what I've been sent. I do have a couple more things in transit which I will show in a future video, so do make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell rung to be told when I upload videos. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please leave it a big thumbs up. Let me know in comment, what is your favourite thing? Does anybody know what collection those Hell's Coupled Itch stamps come from? Because I'd love to know. I haven't been able to find anything out by just random Googling. So if you know, do let me know. And are there any more in that collection that I might want to be searching for on sale sites and eBay? Because, you know, I'm always happy to add to my collection. I am a Hells fan. Let me know if you know of any more that I can go searching for. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who comes and watches my videos and interacts with them. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.